Wagwan YouTube, you don't know Chica Chung, and I'm back at it again with another video. In today's video, it is Good Friday, so happy Good Friday for those who see Good Friday, for those who are Christian or believe in Jesus Christ and stuff like that. Happy Good Friday. Today I am having my Jamaican breakfast. You guys can't really see the plate because of how the camera is placed, and yes, I am once again in a different background, but anyways, so for my breakfast I got bun and cheese, and I got the real Jamaican tasty cheese. I have fried fish, the escovitch fish, and I have breadfruit, so that is my breakfast. Oh, and I have some mint tea. Yep, nice and hot, and all those things. Yeah, I had nothing better to do today. I woke up feeling a little bit low, so I just wanted to talk to you guys about like dealing with anxiety and going on with your day-to-day life while facing anxiety, and also because of what's going on, your anxiety might be a little bit worse because of the coronavirus and everything that's going on in the world. And I just want to let you guys know who are suffering, like, you are okay, you're going to be fine. It's hard, it's rough. I try to tell myself these things every single day. Some days I feel alright, not 100%, but then there are days like today, well, this morning, where I feel really low, and I just want you guys to know that everything is okay. Whatever you're feeling is sensations, and just tell yourself that it's just sensations, and try not to be deep in thought too much. Try not to think too hard on what's going on in the world. Try to think positive. I know it's easier said than done. Try to think positive. It's rough. It's rough, I definitely understand, but honestly, as I said, just try. It's hard for me to even talk about this topic because, as I said, I'm going through it. But when you try to be positive, or when you try to do things that you love, it kind of curbs the sensation. So I think that if there are things that you love to do, or if you love to listen to music or read or something, do those things to try to curb those thoughts that are making you have the anxious feelings and stuff like that. Trust me, it's very hard. What I do to try and help myself out is I try to read affirmations and listen to affirmations and say the affirmations that I'm reading and listening to out loud, so that I know in myself that whatever I'm saying is true, and meaning the same things when I was saying, like, I am good enough, these are just sensations, I can overcome this. Say those things to yourself. It will definitely make you feel a little bit better, kind of change your train of thought. But guys, honestly, this coronavirus thing, Jano, I need to stop because I want to go outside. Like, let me tell you, I'm not really like an outside person or anything like that, but like when I work, that's an activity I'm doing. Now it's like I'm not even working, right? So I'm literally bored out of my mind. I have nothing to do. I'm tired of playing games. I'm literally tired of watching videos. I'm tired of sleeping. Like, how much more can you sleep? I don't know what else to do. If you guys have any suggestions of what I should really do, just drop it in the comments below. This quarantine life is, oh God. I honestly need it to stop. I don't know when we're gonna come out of this. But all I do, I pray day, I pray night, I pray midday. Anytime when I feel like I need to pray, I just pray, because I pray to God that this little pandemic, not little, this big pandemic, this calamity that's going on in the world. Like, I pray that we can surpass this, and we will surpass this, but I just want this to happen right now. Like, here in Toronto, like, all the big major events are canceling. Like, what was it, like 2 days ago or 3 days ago, they said they canceled Caribana. All the Caribbean people are vexed right now. And for those who are watching who don't know what Caribana is our Caribbean carnival, and then cancel it. So no balancing down the road this year, none of that. People are basically saying summer is over, but I don't want us to think that way. Like, there is summer, there's other things we can do, but the major events that we wanted to attend, like, it's canceled. We just have to adjust to it. Like, honestly, every single day I get up, I'm like, yo, I'm bored. Like, that's the first thing I say when I get up. I'm bored. Bun and cheese, bang. Every time I go to Jamaica, I say, me eat down the bun, me eat down the cheese. That's why I always get so fat when I go to Jamaica and come back. Me get so fat because bun and cheese. Me don't need Easter to eat bun and cheese. Me eat bun and cheese right around the clock, right around the year. It just feel nice when me eat Easter. I would make me fried fish and my breadfruit. Guys, how do you guys like your breadfruit though? Because me, I don't like roast breadfruit at all. I don't know what it is. Me not like it. I don't know. But me like when my breadfruit it roast, then it fry, or they can just fry it. I remember I didn't even used to like breadfruit. I honestly didn't like anything. I was a very picky eater. I remember back in the days when I would go to like family functions, the only thing that they could get me to eat was curry goat. Not even chicken me didn't want to eat. To home me did pick, me never eat nothing. Now I'm what you would call like a part-time vegetarian or a part-time pescatarian, because when I'm not in Jamaica, when I'm here in Canada, I don't eat no meat. I eat fish, like seafood stuff, but I don't eat meat. When I go to Jamaica, I eat meat. Me eat KFC, that's the first thing I have to eat. Me eat Burger King. Me eat juicy beef and tasty patty. Me eat the food on the roadside. And yeah, that's why when I go to Jamaica, I have to eat the meat. I have to cut off the pescatarian life when I go there. I'm still eating fish when I go down there, but I introduce back the meat in my body. But honestly, the reason why I don't really eat meat that often is because, I don't know, meat makes me feel, it makes me feel sick. It makes me put on weight and it's hard to take off the weight. Yeah, the meat just make me feel tired. It make my belly hurt me. Like, it make me have digestive issues or something. So I feel much better when I eat like just seafood and just vegetable and stuff like that. If you guys are like me, where you guys are part-time vegetarian, part-time pescatarian, let me know down below and tell me what you guys do and why you guys break your pescatarian or vegetarian lifestyle. I'm an actual slow eater. Let me show you how much is left in the plate. There's still bare food left. I still have one more side of the fish left. And the teacup's still full. I take so long to drink tea. Like, I literally make the tea get cold and turn it in an iced tea. I take so long to drink tea. As I was saying before, guys, the topic of anxiety. Anybody who's facing anxiety, honestly, just get up every morning with a strong mentality. A strong, positive mentality. Believe in yourself. Be tough. And it's hard to be tough, oh God. I actually hate when people tell me to be tough. I hate it. Because like, I feel like they don't know what I'm going through. So when they say be tough, it's like I get upset on the inside. I'm not gonna show them that I'm upset, but I'm upset. It's good to talk to people who experience the same thing or is going through what you're going through, because then when you talk to people who relates with you, it makes you feel comfortable. Excuse me. It makes you feel a little bit comfortable because they're able to relate with you. Like, they know what you're feeling. They felt what you're feeling. Whether it's not the full extent of how you're feeling, or maybe it's more than the extent that you're feeling, but they know what you're feeling and they know what you're going through. So when you talk with them, I feel like you find more comfort within yourself. If you guys reach this far in the video and you guys are suffering from anxiety or anything like that, please drop down what your coping mechanisms are, because I would gladly like to try them if I have not tried them before. But trust me, hard. I'm about to end this video. Because if I wait till I'm done eating this food, this video is gonna go on for so long. I just wanted to make this video for people who are, like, you know, going through a hard time, especially with this virus going on. And trust me, guys, just pray it out. Pray it out. Pray it out. If you believe in God, pray it out. Pray for the frontline workers. Pray for people who have to work right now. The essential workers. Pray for them. Pray for them. And those who are in Canada who were laid off or are self-employed and don't qualify for the regular EI, and if you're a Canadian, you know what I'm talking about EI. Guys, make sure you guys save a portion of that money, because it's a taxable income and they never deducted no taxes from that $2,000. I thought they were gonna like put like $1,700 or something in my account. I thought they were gonna deduct the tax, but they didn't. So you already know it's the next year, tax year. I'm gonna take out the money. I'm gonna take back the money. You think they're sleep? I take back but probably like $1,000 something. So I'm gonna start put aside some money. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching and thank you for listening. I hope this video made you happy. I hope this video made you feel good. And I hope you guys just enjoyed this video in general. So thank you and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.